At International Sport Motors of San Francisco, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We do complete collision repair, mechanical repair, service and maintenance. Whether it's routine oil changes, transmission repair, or high-end diagnostics, we do it right the first time with a warranty twice as long as most of our competitors.
3 years, 36,000 miles.
Our master certified technicians have over 35 years of experience working with all European and Japanese imports. BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Audi, VW, Volvo, Honda, Toyota, Mini Cooper, Range Rover, Acura, Lexus, and Jaguar models. Bring in the dealer quote and we'll beat it by 15% guaranteed. Our in-house body shop does it all, from complete small panel repair and auto detailing to heavy collision repair and frame rebuilding. We work seamlessly with all insurance carriers, providing you with a painless, hassle-free accident repair experience. California state law protects your right to have insurance work completed at any independent accident repair facility you choose. Choose the best with International Sport Motors. Keep your import in perfect condition, looking and running flawlessly. Visit International Sport Motors.